In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your margins in Google Docs. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your web browser, and then in the address bar type in docs.google.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Google Docs, and you will be logged into your account, so you can open up any of your recent documents by scrolling underneath. Now once your document is opened up, there are two ways that you can edit your margins. You can find the ruler option at the top, where you will find two indicators which show your point of margin. You can simply click on this and drag these to the left or right to set up your desired margin. You will find each of these at the left and right. However, if you also want to edit your top and bottom margins, then you will need to use the page setup option. To access this, simply click on the file option and then click on page setup. Now make sure you select apply to whole document instead of selected content, so that the margin settings will be applied to the entire document. Now at the right side, you can find your margins. Simply type in your desired margin at all four sides and then click on the OK button to set up your custom margin. You can also set up your margin based on the paper size by clicking on the drop-down menu underneath paper size. After selecting your margin from the drop-down menu or entering it yourself, you can click on the OK button and the margin settings will now be applied to the entire document. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to edit your margins in Google Docs. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.